Welcome to the Jera line, a factory which produces the insulation piercing connectors. We offer a wide range of the insulation piercing connectors for middle voltage power cables and the low voltage power cables with bare and insulation jackets. We applied the process automation in manufacturing process of plastic injection machines, CNC lathes, and assembly lines. We have introduced plenty of engineering know-how during research and development of IPC. Routine on-site testing guarantees stable quality, which is verified by a collaboration with electricity utilities and third-party laboratories. We apply European fundamental test standards when inspecting the quality of insulation piercing connectors.